Yeah, hey everybody, welcome back to A Tiny Revolution. This is our brand new community as part of the Mindful Marketplace platform for anyone who wants to create tiny products for a living in 2022. So, one of the things that I'm doing that I'm really excited about are these weekly walkthroughs and workflows that will be published as a easily accessible archive within the new community, where essentially I'll be taking tools and tech and doing video walkthroughs like the one I just did for Tango, the Chrome extension. You can actually see that on YouTube on December 23rd, 2021. So I'm actually taking a tool like that and walking through it, and then actually embedding this in a board that you can download, a PDF download, and I'll be answering questions about the tools, and we'll be having a very specific guidance with respect to who the target audience is and the ideal use case. So, for an example, you can learn whether the tool that's covered in that weekly walkthrough or workflow is appropriate for you. Maybe you're not somebody who would benefit from a given piece of technology or a specific process that I'm covering that given week. So, this is something that I'm really excited about that will be available just to the community. There'll be a password that you'll need to input to get access to it, and you can actually even comment and react on the board itself. So if you had questions that you wanted to ask, you would do that here. I'm really excited about the ability to offer things that are pretty unique in the creation kind of space, or the creation, or the author, artist, and an entrepreneurial kind of niches, and to give really specific guidance to those of you who want to create tiny products for a living in 2022 that are right for you, because some of the things that I'm doing are not right for everybody. Some people want to use video more and less audio, or might want this tool versus that tool, or there's a large audience of people that are part of our community and have many different interests. So I'm really kind of excited about these short workflows that will be PDF oriented with interactive links that you can click on and see the corresponding media, and see you can ask questions to get your questions answered. You can visit the link itself to get the product if you want. This is free. Some of the things I'll be recommending won't be free, because lots of things we use we pay for, but wherever possible, my goal is to provide easy, affordable, and accessible shortcuts that will help you build your brand with super speed. All right, so you can download this one already in the Tiny community if you're a part of our audience already. And again, the other thing I'm really excited about is I'm going to be using a very Web3 NFT model for this community, which means you're going to have ownership of certain things that are going to be quite interesting, innovative, and very different than anything I've seen anyway. So if you're interested in joining us, the community is going to be fee-based. So this is not going to be a free thing. You will have to buy a NFT to get access to our community, but right now you can get access to all of this simply by signing up for our pre-launch page, which is below. And if you are a member of any of our courses, in particular the All Access Pass, which you can buy on our site right now, it won't be available come 2022, but you'll get a whole bevy of other benefits that won't be available to the general public when all of this goes live in about a week. So teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. If you want to check this particular workflow out, you can sign up and get access to that for free. And if you want to join our community as a real member, sign up for the All Access Pass between now and the end of 2021, and you will get access to a whole bunch of other great stuff that won't be available in just a couple short days. Thanks so much, and as always, have a wonderful day.